guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Terry Wagwan. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I've achieved this makeup look. So very pretty green and bronzy autumny makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Let's jump into the clip. I'm using the Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm using this as a base for my eyeshadows. So to start off this makeup look, I'll be going in with the Kylie Jenner Naughty palette, and I'm going in with Tipsy. I'm just applying Tipsy directly into my crease, and I'm also going a bit above my crease as well. So I'm just going in wiper shield motion, and I'm just blending that into my skin. Next, I'll be going in with Unwrap Me from the same palette. So next, I'll be doing a little bit of a cut crease so that the green eyeshadow can pop some more. So I'm just going in with the same concealer from before. I'm going in with Emerald, and it's this dark green color. I'm taking the darkest brown, and that's Hot Cedar or Cider. So now I'm going in with this Drugstore palette. So I'm taking this dark green color and I'm applying that over Emerald, and also I'll be going in with this green color as well. So now I'm going with the MAC Synergy eyeliner pencil. Now I'm going in with the Clean Color Smoking Gel eyeliner, and I'm taking this angled brush to apply a bit of depth to my eyelid. Taking a break from the eyes for now, moving on to the face, and I'm going in with the Girl Pro Prep Primer. I'm just using this in the T-zone areas of my face. So today I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation, and I'll be applying that all over my face. So today I'll be using two concealers. I'm going in with the same concealer I've been using from the beginning, the Girl Pro concealer in Toffee, and also I'll be going in with the CoverGirl Plus OLAY concealer. I'll be setting my concealer with the TURAH translucent pressed powder, and this is in number 3. I'll be doing a bit of contour, and I'm using the Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Mahogany. So I'm back and I've applied some really natural looking lashes. So I'm going over the rest of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, Set and Smooth, and this is in 355 Coconut as well. This is the Milani Sunset Duos bronzer and blush. So now back to the eyes. I'm going back into the Kylie Jenner makeup palette, and I'm taking Unwrap Me. So I'm going in with Emerald, and that's a dark green color. So next up is highlighting, and I'll be using the Sheer Cover highlight today. For my lips today, I'll be going in with the MAC Eyeliner Sash Lip Liner Pencil, and this is in dark brown, and I'll be lining the outer part of my lips with this. Next, I'm going in with the LA Colors Lip Gloss and the Lipstick Duo. I'm going over with liquid lipstick. Okay guys, so that completes this makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.